In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to show speed in Google Maps on your iPhone. So if you wanted to know how fast you're traveling from a place or a navigation on a Google Maps and how we can do this, this is what we have to do. So the first thing what you need to do is you have to navigate to the Google Maps. Over here, as you can see in my case, this is the Google Maps. I'm just demonstrating with an example. So the first thing is all about once you get into the map, you have to click on the profile over here. Now from here, you have to scroll it down and navigate to the settings. From here, what you need to do is you have to click on the navigation. From here, you have to scroll it down all the way down. And over here at the bottom, we have two options which are very important. The first one that's called show speed limit. Make sure this is actually turn it on. And also we have show speedometer. This should be also be turned on. These two things should be turned on. And this is what we have to do. Once you do this up, and also make sure one more thing, this will not be available on all the countries. This depends. For some regions, it will not be available. So for me, it is available. So I have to turn it on. Now I just need to go back. Now what I need to do is I just need to select something randomly. I'm just going to select restaurant here. And I'm just going to select a destination for this one. And I'm just going to click on the directions. And if I click at the start, right now, if I'm traveling through my car, like I said, it is going to give me all the details like the speed, and it's going to give me how long I have to travel to reach that particular place here, and that's going to give me all kind of details. And this is what we have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.